If you have ever wanted to make your own oil paints from scratch, you have come to the right place. Today we're taking a closer look at the Natural Earth Paint Kit. Hi and welcome back. We are pretty excited to get this kit in from our friends over at Natural Earth Paint. And if you've ever wanted to try mixing your own oil paints from scratch, then you're really going to enjoy working with this kit. This company offers many DIY kits, products, and art supplies, and I especially would like to try their natural face painting kit one day. They have lots of fun ideas on their website and also a really great blog too, and they have eco-friendly resources, video tutorials, so be sure to check that out on their website. I'll leave that link below for you guys. And they just released their brand new formula of natural varnish. So we're pretty excited about this, and you'll be seeing this pop up on our website and here on our channel. Can't wait to try this out. Okay, let's get into this kit. This comes with 10 natural earth and mineral pigments, and also a plant-based thinner, brush cleaner, and walnut oil to mix the pigments. And they have a really great oil paint guide, and I would suggest reading this through before you get started because there's lots of great tips and information here about mixing your own paints. Let's go through these paint colors. These pigments are completely pure, archival, and free of any preservatives, heavy metals, or toxins. And just holding these up for you guys, I can tell that a little is going to go a long way here. If you're going to be ordering this kit, I would suggest grabbing some extra walnut oil too, because if you're going to be working on a large piece of art, you might need to be mixing the whole pouch. So you'll need some extra walnut oil for that. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out a few colors to try and get started mixing paint. I'll go ahead with these 4 colors, and I think they're going to look really nice together. I'm so excited about this. So what I'll do is just take out a little bit of pigment with this palette knife that they sent over, and just so that you know, the palette knife is sold separately from the kit. This black ochre powder is really fine, you guys, so I know that it's going to be really super easy to mix up. I'm mixing these paints on a sheet of glass that I got out from an old picture frame, and what I did was put some washi tape on the sharp sides, and this is one of the easiest ways to mix the paint. You're going to need something super smooth for mixing the paint on. So I'm just taking the pigments and adding a little bit of walnut oil to make a paste, and then I'm going to thin it down with the plant-based thinner. And I'm using droppers here that I had on hand. And just so that you know that these don't come with the kits, but these are super helpful, so I would suggest using these to mix the paint with. Then you can get the consistency that's right for you. And this is so much fun mixing paint. I've always wanted to try this. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a little miniature so I can show you guys what these pigments look like, and they will work just like regular oil paints. So if you haven't worked with oils before, you'll have fun practicing with these. And depending on how thick or thin you mix the paints will determine how they layer and blend together for you. So you can decide what's going to work best for your painting. If you love a thick layered look or a thinner coat like I'm doing here, you can mix your paint however you like. And as far as varnishing your painting, Natural Earth Paint says that you can varnish your piece if it's dry to the touch after about 6 to 8 days. But of course, if you're using thick brush strokes, treat it as you would any other oil painting and wait for about 6 months for it to be completely dry before varnishing. And here's my finished piece. So these are super fun to use, and they were kind enough to send us 2 kits. So we'll make sure we put this one in our next giveaway. So keep watching our channel for that. And if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. We would really love that. Till next time, have a wonderful day.